How to log in or sign up on Craigslist. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can log in or sign up on Craigslist, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log in or sign up on Craigslist, all you have to do is simply go ahead and then open the Craigslist application here. Once you log into the Craigslist app, you're going to see this type of interface as you can find them over here. Then you just need to select this option called Get Started. Once you select this option called Get Started, you can choose to share your location or select Not Now, and then you can simply enter the zip code of the place that you actually live in. Once you enter the zip code over here, just make sure to enter them and just select choose this location. Now it will just take you to the page where you can simply log into one of your accounts. So you can just go to this account tab here as you can find it, and then just select this option called please enter the email address for your account. So in this case I'll just go ahead and then enter my email address over here as well. Now as you can see, whenever you actually log in, if you want to actually log in with your link, you can go ahead and do that, or you can go ahead and log in with your password. Depending upon whether you have an account or not, just make sure to enter your password correctly, and then you'll be able to successfully create your account or log in as well. This way you can log in or sign up on Craigslist. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.